whole environment of ANDAcademy is to experiment and to learn. After joining ANDAcademy, I learned how to be a professional. It's not about only being creative as a designer, but how you professionally present your design outcomes and how you communicate why you did what you did. These all are the things that is important. I have learned the principles of design, but it actually applicable to my whole day which I do. There is a balance, should be a hierarchy in the task which I do. So it's kind of helping me in every aspect. Also motivating me. The teachers are great, they explain great, they will go in depth in explanation if you want some clarity. They will support you with feedbacks, on time feedbacks, and they always guide you properly. The way the ma'am say or give feedback, it doesn't feel as an offended. It just feels that we have to improve and we have to experiment. And the whole environment of ANDAcademy is to experiment and to learn. That's it. The core means here you can learn only by experiment, and the whole focus is on experiment. So it's not theoretical knowledge, it's more of practical knowledge.